Do you want to live a life of purpose and achievement? Setting clear goals is the key. Goals act as a compass, guiding you towards your desired destination. They provide direction and focus, helping you prioritize your time and energy. Without goals, you risk drifting aimlessly, never reaching your full potential. Think of your life as a ship without a rudder. Without a clear direction, you'll be tossed about by the winds and currents of life. You might end up somewhere, but it's unlikely to be where you truly want to be. Goals give you that rudder, allowing you to navigate towards the life you envision. Setting goals is like planting seeds of success. Just as a tiny seed has the potential to grow into a mighty tree, your goals have the power to transform your life. By setting goals and working towards them, you unlock your hidden potential and create a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Remember, the power to achieve your dreams lies within you. Start by getting clear about what you want. What are your dreams and aspirations? What do you want to achieve in your life? Write down your goals with as much detail as possible. Be specific about what you want, why you want it, and how you plan to achieve it. Don't be afraid to dream big. Your goals should excite you and fill you with a sense of purpose. Imagine yourself having already achieved your goals. How does it feel? What does your life look like? Visualize your success in vivid detail. The more clarity you have about your goals, the more likely you are to achieve them. Your goals act as a magnet, attracting the people, resources, and opportunities you need to succeed. So, take the time to crystallize your vision and write down your goals with precision. Now that you have your long-term vision, break it down into smaller, measurable goals. These are your milestones marking your progress along the way. How will you track your progress? What specific criteria will you use to measure success? Think of climbing a mountain. You wouldn't try to reach the summit in one giant leap. You'd break down the climb into smaller, manageable stages. Similarly, break down your goals into smaller steps that you can track and measure. Having measurable milestones allows you to celebrate your achievements along the way, boosting your motivation and keeping you on track. It also helps you identify areas where you may need to adjust your approach or seek support. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. While it's important to dream big, it's equally important to set realistic goals. Your goals should be challenging, yet attainable. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and disappointment, ultimately hindering your progress. Consider your current resources, skills, and limitations. Are your goals achievable within the given time frame and with the resources available to you? If not, you may need to adjust your goals or explore ways to acquire the necessary resources. Remember, it's okay to start small and gradually increase the challenge as you progress. The key is to set yourself up for success by setting goals that are both ambitious and attainable. This will keep you motivated and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. Section 5. Relevance, aligning with your values. Your goals should be aligned with your core values and beliefs. What is important to you in life? What do you stand for? When your goals are aligned with your values, you'll be more motivated to pursue them and more likely to persevere through challenges. Ask yourself, does this goal truly resonate with me? Does it reflect what I want to accomplish in life? If your goals are not aligned with your values, you may find yourself feeling unfulfilled, even if you achieve them. When your goals are in harmony with your values, you tap into a powerful source of intrinsic motivation. You'll be driven by a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment, making the journey towards your goals just as rewarding as the destination. Section 6. Time-bound targets, creating urgency. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. Setting a specific time frame for your goals creates a sense of urgency and accountability. It gives you a clear target to work towards and helps you stay focused and motivated. Determine a realistic but challenging time frame for each goal. When will you achieve this goal? What specific actions do you need to take each day, week, and month to stay on track? Break down your goals into smaller tasks with specific deadlines. Having a deadline creates a sense of accountability and helps you avoid procrastination. It also allows you to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Remember, time is a precious resource, so use it wisely by setting time-bound targets for your goals. Section 7. The art of breaking down goals. Large goals can seem daunting at first glance. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the goal seem less overwhelming and allows you to focus on one step at a time. Each small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Think of your goal as a puzzle. Each small task represents a piece of the puzzle. As you complete each task, you put another piece in place, gradually revealing the bigger picture. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small the victory. Breaking down your goals into smaller steps also allows you to identify potential obstacles and develop strategies to overcome them. It helps you stay organized, focused, and motivated throughout the journey. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Section 8. Staying motivated, overcoming obstacles. Staying motivated is crucial for achieving your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences such as supportive friends, mentors, or inspiring books and podcasts. Visualize your success regularly and remind yourself of the reasons why you set these goals in the first place. Challenges are inevitable on the path to success. Anticipate obstacles and develop strategies to overcome them. When you encounter setbacks, view them as opportunities for learning and growth. Don't let setbacks derail you from your goals. Remember, motivation can fluctuate, so it's important to have strategies in place to keep yourself going, even when you don't feel like it. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and focus on the positive aspects of your journey. Section 9. Celebrating success, embracing growth. When you achieve a goal, take the time to celebrate your success. Acknowledge your hard work and dedication. Reward yourself in a way that is meaningful to you. Celebrating your achievements reinforces positive habits and motivates you to keep striving for more. Goal setting is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. As you grow and evolve, your goals may change, and that's okay. Embrace the journey and be flexible in your approach. Remember, the ultimate goal is not just to achieve specific outcomes, but to grow and learn along the way. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Section 10. Real-life examples, from dreams to reality. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable things by setting clear goals and working towards them with determination. Take, for instance, Oprah Winfrey, who overcame a challenging childhood to become a media mogul. Or consider Elon Musk, who revolutionized the tech industry with his ambitious goals. These individuals dared to dream big, set clear goals, and persevered through countless obstacles. Their stories serve as powerful reminders that anything is possible with the right mindset and a relentless pursuit of one's goals. These success stories highlight the transformative power of goal setting. They demonstrate that ordinary individuals can achieve extraordinary things by setting their minds to it and taking consistent action towards their dreams. Let their stories inspire you to pursue your own goals with unwavering determination. Section 11. Your journey starts now. You have the power to create the life you desire. Setting clear goals is the first step towards unlocking your potential and living a life of purpose and fulfillment. Embrace the principles outlined in this guide and embark on your journey towards achieving your dreams. Start by identifying your passions and aspirations. What do you want to achieve in your life? Once you have a clear vision, break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Set realistic deadlines, track your progress, and celebrate your successes along the way. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that first step today and start creating the life you've always dreamed of. The power to achieve your goals lies within you.